So, yeah, before starts, let us fix our agenda. What exactly we have discussed in the last session up to this point, we understood very clearly what is DevOps. This point is DevOps. So first, let us fix our agenda, guys, please, before start the session. Let us fix our agenda, please. Let us fix our agenda, guys, please. So in yesterday, we understood what is DevOps. What is Azure? We understood very clearly in the last session. What is DevOps? What is Azure? We understood very clearly in the last session, guys. And today we are going to be focused on how to create Azure account, how to create and login, and how to use virtual machine. We're going to be discussing for today, guys, please. That is in exactly class for today. Okay. So some of the students are new. Within 5 minutes, let it be overview last session. What we have discussed in the last session, let it be overview within 5 minutes. Then we will move forward into the for today's session. Okay. So let us start with what DevOps. So tell me what is it DevOps, guys, please, as we discussed in the last session. DevOps is an automated process. What is DevOps? DevOps is an automated process. It is a set of principles and methodologies. As a DevOps engineer, once if you are getting into the company as a DevOps engineer, we're going to be replacing with what? Complex pipeline with what? Transparent pipeline. But as a DevOps engineer, we're going to be replacing complex pipeline with what? Transparent pipeline. The complex pipeline with what? Transparent pipeline. As a DevOps engineer, we're going to be replacing complex pipeline with what? Transparent pipeline. But actually, the DevOps transparent pipeline is look like this one. Look like this one. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, we have a plan, coding, integration, test, release, deploy, and operations. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with what? Operation. That means we are part of coding, integration, test, release, deploy, and operations. But to be frankly, we are not part of planning. We are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are going to be in implementing an automated DevOps process from dev environment to operations. Dev environment to operations. This is exactly our DevOps process. But for implementing this DevOps process, which are all the tools we are going to be using? Let it be list down. Which are all the tools, guys, please? Git, we are going to be Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, Microsoft Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Negios, Elk, Elastic, Logstash, Kibana, and Terraform. And these are all the tools we are using. These are all the tools we are gonna be using in our DevOps transparent pipeline. In our DevOps transparent pipeline, guys. But for while implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we have infrastructure. The infrastructure might be servers, the infrastructure might be database, network, storage. But from where exactly we can able to get it from? Compute, cloud. From cloud we can able to get it. But what is in exactly the cloud computing? What is in exactly the cloud computing, as please? So the remote place resources, if we can access the remote place resource such as servers, network, database, storage, if we can access our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing is nothing but what? Computing, as please. But any cloud is a rental-based infrastructure. Any cloud is a rental-based infrastructure. By using cloud, we are not buying anything. We're going to be getting only rental-based infrastructure only. Rental-based infrastructure only. Rental-based infrastructure only. For example, let's say for reaching a railway station, you require a car. Whether you're buying a car or rental car, definitely it will be a rental car. Very easy to get it out. So after booking a Ola or Uber, within 10 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. After reaching a railway station, whatever tariff is paid, that's it. No need to maintain the car. No need to buy driver license, pollution check. It is not required. The same way, just for deploying our applications, just for deploying our applications, just for deploying our applications, whatever infrastructure we require, we are going to be getting from cloud. We are going to be getting from cloud. But which cloud we're going to be learning? Which cloud we're going to be learning? Yeah, Microsoft Azure. So these three are top leading cloud provider, either AWS or Azure, Google. These three are top three cloud leading providers. But we are going to be learning Microsoft Azure. Why Microsoft Azure? Because of it is a 5 times cheaper than AWS, and we can able to save Microsoft license. If you have already, we can save Microsoft license. Most of the companies are moving into the Azure. So what exactly Microsoft Azure? Microsoft Azure is a cloud service provider. It offers various various services such as compute, storage, database, network. And it is the second largest cloud provider in the market. That's what we are going to do. Yeah. So which are all the models we're going to be? Computing model, networking, storage model, database model, identity access management, and these are all the models we are going to be learning. We are going to be discussing, and each and every model, different types of services we are going to be discussing. We're going to be covering. These are all the services we are going to be covering under Azure administration. Under Azure administration, we're going to be covering networking model, computing model, storage model, identity access management. This is an exactly core architecture. Yeah. So in Azure, we have totally 3 layers. It is a front-end layer, it is a middle layer, it is a back-end layer. So front end means how exactly we can able to graphically we can access PowerShell and CLI REST client. By using any one, we can able to getting into that Azure by authorization, by providing username password, we can able to getting into the Azure, and we can able to create a virtual machines, databases and app services, and whatever maybe we can able to create it. We can able to create. We can able to create. Got it very clearly. But sir, how exactly, guys? For example, let's say if you want to deploy our application, if you want to deploy our application, let us understand with the diagrammatically once how exactly we are doing, what we are going to be doing. For example, let's say first we have to create a network. Example, let's say this is a network. This is a network. In this network, we are going to be creating a virtual machine. On top of, we're going to be deploying our application like a Flipkart or Amazon, Book My Show, whatever may be application we deploy. And we're going to be creating a database. The customer information, the login information, we can able to handle with the database. Once if it is configured, then from your laptop, we can access. So let us assume this is a laptop. After successfully deploying our application by using Chrome browser, and we can access our applications. We can access our application. Whenever you're trying to log in, whenever trying to log in. So our virtual machine is going to be validated with what? It will be validated with what database. So this is what exactly the architecture which we want to implement. For that, if you want to do this, first we need to getting into the Azure account. And we need to create a virtual machines. And how to use virtual machine also we should understand. We should understand, guys, please. How exactly, guys, please? So first let us understand, let it be. I already provided a document with you. I already provided a document with you in the last session. Please go through that. So again, I will be provided, don't worry. So I'm going to be copy paste this course content link. So please use this link. Once if it is open, this link, in any browser, you can able to find my document list. In this document list, you can find DevOps content, Azure content, and Azure account creation also. Please use Azure account creation. Azure account creation. So please type in the Google Azure account creation. Azure account creation. And it will be Google and start it free. Start it free. Let us click on create one. And provide your any working email address and create a password. Once if it is create a password, verify email. In your email, it will receive verification code. Please provide verification code. And verify your capture. And once if it is done, fill your details like a full name, last name, and verify your phone number. Then provide your debit card, credit card details. So after verifying card, so this account will be 15,000 rupees free for first month. 15,000 rupees free for your practice. So first month is free. By helping of that free trial, we can able to practice. Then once if it is sign up automatically, so you will be successfully registered and it will display this like this. You will be landing onto this page and you can create a virtual machine, storage, network, whatever may be. After successfully sign up and sign in, you will be landing into this page. So after successfully landing onto this page, we can able to create a virtual machine. After successfully creating a Azure account, then we can able to create a virtual machine. So how exactly we can choose? After successfully creating Azure account, you can able to see here, you can able to hear services. Which are all the services offering by Azure? Which are all the services offering by Azure? These are all the services being offering by Azure, like a DevOps tools, like general security, migration, storage, compute model. These are all the services which we are going to be discussing as database model, database. These are all the services which we are going to be. So right now, I want to create a virtual machine. For that, I'm going to be choosing a compute. Then I'm going to be choosing a what exactly is virtual machine. First, let it be make it note for for our understanding. After successfully sign up and sign in, so please be choose virtual machine. Yes, please. Please be choose virtual machine. Please be choose virtual machine. Once if it is choose virtual machine, once if it is choose virtual machine, create a new resource group. Resource group. Once if it is create resource group, choose virtual machine name. Choose region. On which region we are gonna be. Choose security. Security as standard. Choose security as standard. Choose size as D1. Yes, it has one core CPU and 3.5 GB. RAM. Once if you choose size, then we are gonna be choosing username. And choose password. Then choose RDP. Please be choose. Image as Windows Server, Win Server. Image is nothing but what operating system. After choosing username password, choose as what exactly RDP and HTTP. And then choose disk size, a default network, and review and create. Review and create. Virtual machine guys. First, let it be complete these steps. First, let it be complete these steps, and we are gonna be understand how exactly we can able to use this virtual machine. Yeah, please be getting into this virtual machine. Search for what? Virtual machine. We can search for like this. Or else we can able to choose this three hyphens, services, compute, then double click here. Automatically, you will be landing into the virtual machine dashboard. Then in this dashboard, we have an options called create. Click on create virtual machine. And please be create a resource group, my resource group. My resource group, 9 a.m. My resource group, 9 a.m. And a virtual machine is named what? My virtual machine name is what? Web server. I want to make this server as what? Web server. That's what I'm name it as what? Web server. The reason is what? East US, the availability, no infrastructure, the security type is standard. Image what exactly? Which image? I'm gonna be go for Windows. Let it be go for a Windows server. And let it be go for sizes what exactly? DS1, one core CPU, 3.5 GB of RAM, which we are choosing. So please be choose any username, Azure user, and the password is what exactly? So any password, any strongest password you need to provide, but I'm going to be provide this password. So please be provide the password, confirm the password, and please be select inbound rule as what exactly? HTTP and RTP. So HTTP means what? We can access web server over internet. RTP means what? By using RTP, we can able to getting into this Windows machine. Maybe go for next step. So please be go for default disk. What are the default? A default disk size, default network, and remaining or all the default options, just review and create. Yeah, once if it is review on create, then click on create. Automatically, this virtual machine will be created in the cloud. Once if it is click on, click on create, automatically the virtual machine will be created. Yes, we can able to do whatever maybe. Once if it is successfully created, then Is it creating or not? Please wait. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Please wait. Deployment is in progress. Please wait. Yeah, is it successfully created? Once if it is successfully created, yeah, we can able to use this machine. Sir, but question is, sir, this virtual machine is created where exactly? In your laptop? No, this virtual machine is created in the cloud. Somewhere else in US, East, not in a laptop, somewhere else. So for buying a laptop, it will take 1 day, but within 2 minutes, can able to create a virtual machine? Yes. Did they pay anything? No. Based on usage, it will be paid. Based on usage, we were able to create a virtual machine, and moreover, we can able to use whatever may be. So this virtual machine, we make it as an application server, we make it as a database server, we make it as a web server also. Maybe let us try to make it as a web server for today. I want to use virtual machine as web server. How exactly I can able to make it as a web server, please? First, let it be getting into login into virtual machine. Then install IIS web server. How exactly, guys, please? How to log in? By helping of RDS remote desktop by using remote desktop we can. Clear. Shall we try to do that? How exactly? First, let me copy the public IP of this machine. So let us search for what? In taskbar. RDP and please be open remote desktop. Copy paste the default port number for RDP is 3389. 3389. So let it be repeat again. Copy paste colon 3389. Once if it is trying to connect and your username, this is username, this is your password. That's it. Whatever the username password you use, same credential, please be used. Try to getting into this virtual machine. Once if it is getting into this virtual machine, we can make the server as what? Web server. Yeah, easily we are getting into this virtual machine or not? Yes. Yeah, whatever maybe we can do it. We can install IIS web server also. Please wait, it will take 1 minute. Please wait, it will take 1 minute. So once if it is open server manager, please wait. Yeah, once if it is click on add, automatically it will be pop up and click on next, click on next, click on next. And please be choose IS web server. Please be choose IIS web server. Click on next and next and finish. And automatically the IIS web server will be installed in your server. Is it installing or not? Tell me. Yes, please wait. It will take to install. So once if it is complete installation of this process, then we can access this over internet by helping of this public IP. So by using this public IP, we can access from anywhere in the world. From anywhere in the world. But it should be complete this process. Let it be complete, then we can access. Yeah, it is successful install. Then if it is refresh this page, yeah, and we have given only HTTP, remove yes and refresh. Yeah, whether you're accessing this IIS web server or not, can click on resource group, which are all the resource group, which resource group we created, please be deleted. So this resource group I have successfully created. So please select, please be copy this resource group, delete resource group. Copy paste and delete. That's it. So have you successfully deleted resource group or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Is it clear? Have you successfully deleted or not? Everything will be deleted. So I hope you people are understands very clear. Okay. So before taking your questions, let us revise one more time. Let us revise one more time. Course overview. Some students are new. Let it be repeat again what we have discussed. Course overview. Then I'll take your questions. So this completely Azure DevOps, Azure administration will be covered. It is around totally 5 months duration. Why 5 months? Because of two courses: complete Azure DevOps, complete Azure admin. That's what we are spending 5 months. So Linux basics required, shell script is required. That I will be covered. No programming. Java.NET is not required. You require a laptop with this configuration for daily practice. Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course. Any graduate can also join in this course. Daily recording videos after the payment, I'm going to be shared via Google. From date of registration, you're going to be accessing up to 11 months. Resume preparation, interview question and answers for live real-time projects, I'm going to be providing with you. So 80% of course material I'm going to be providing with you. Our course starts with very basic level and finish with advanced level. Each and every class is a practical implemented in front of you that you need to practice in your laptop. Daily 1 hour class. So the classes are Monday to Saturday, Sunday is a complete holiday. You're going to be paying 10,000 rupees instead of 12. So for complete DevOps, for complete Azure administration for daily recordings. So this is our contact number, means our admin number. You can call or you can WhatsApp for any kind of admin questions. This is our course content. So I'm going to be share. Who are all interested, please do the registration and get the new meeting link from our admin from tomorrow's session. So this is what exactly my end. Do you have any questions, please? Do you have any questions, please? Any questions, please? Okay, so I'm waiting for your all questions, please. Why resource group is required, Sayed? Because of, we are creating n number of resources. Virtual machine we created, disk we created, network we created, a lot of services. Okay. If we delete resource group, either deletion of resource group or accessing resource group, everything is in a group. Then, for example, let us go for 6 a.m. Here is what? How many resources displaying? Not only virtual machine, lot of things. And not only virtual machine, it will be display all resources we can handle in a single, either accessing or controlling or stopping or deleting everything in a group wise. That's what. It is very easy to handle. That's what. Got it, Syed? Raja. Azure account asking payment. It is detect only 2 rupees, Raja. First 1 month is free. By helping of first 1 month free trial, we can access. Mandatory to enter credit card or debit card? Yes, mandatory. Without credit card, we can't, Raja. Definitely. But so it is a free of cost for 1 month. First 1 month with free trial, we can practice, Raja. Post 30 days, we can create one more account, Raja. Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions, please, all of you? Any questions? So Krishna asked this question. Krishna asked this question. Are we going to help to know job notification jobs? Yeah, that is placement cell. Talk to admin. They will help you, please. So, but my part is resume preparation and technical support and interview preparation, interview question and answers, materials I will provide. Krishna. Syed Amar asked this question, sir. Sir, first we will learn Azure or well learn DevOps. DevOps tools only. It's a combo. It is a combination of Linux plus Azure plus DevOps. It is a combination of all, but it will be covered within 5 minutes. But with starting with DevOps, hence with Azure administration. Syed. Fine. Shall we continue? Yeah, we'll continue by tomorrow. Thank you. So Raja, this question, you meant DevOps content will be covered first? Yes, yes. Krishna Venu. So when you are going to cover Linux after DevOps, it in the between only, not a later. Okay, don't worry. Linux will be in the beginning. Don't worry. We're gonna be start Linux. Don't worry. Linux basics. Don't worry. Fine. Shall we continue by tomorrow, all of you? Thanks, buddies. We'll continue. Thanks a lot, all of you. We'll continue by tomorrow with a new paid link. Thank you.